Does standing in front of the mirror make you feel at least a little bit uncomfortable? Do you feel envious of other women who can eat whatever they want and remain naturally slim? Would you like a proven plan to lose weight fast in the next 30 days? If so, stop what you're doing now and pay close attention to this video all the way until the end, because inside you will discover a proven, rapid weight loss plan for women over 35 to lose weight easily and healthily. 1. Change your meal plan. If you want to lose weight in 30 days, you should start by revamping your meal plan. What you eat has a large impact on weight gain and loss. Of course, you want to cut out sugary foods like cake and ice cream. Also consider going on a low-carb diet if you want to lose weight fast. This means no more spaghetti or pizza nights. Choose high-protein, lean meats and veggies for your meals and stay consistent. Even indulging a little could ruin your plan to lose up to 30 pounds in 30 days. 2. Supercharge your metabolism. Before each of your meals, you can supercharge your metabolism by drinking a homemade drink that can help increase your metabolism before you eat. Some metabolism-boosting drinks include lemon water, green tea, or even cinnamon and honey water. Try to drink a serving of one of these metabolism-boosting drinks at least 30 minutes before you eat, so your body has time to process it. 3. Consider joining a workout class. If you want to lose weight in 30 days, finding a daily workout class could be a great option for you. Classes will vary based on experience level and type, but anything high cardio will help you get in a daily workout and burn more calories than you eat, which will help you lose weight. If you can't find, make time for, or afford a workout class at a gym or studio, you can always try yoga at home. Yoga is beneficial for both the mind and the body, and is a perfect low-stress way to start burning body fat fast. If you've never done yoga before and want to get started, go to www.femalefatburningsecrets.com/yoga kit to claim your free Yoga Kickstart Kit, by world-renowned yoga instructor, Zoe Bray-Cotton. This yoga kit is valued at $197, but you can get it for free today if you go to www.femalefatburningsecrets.com/yoga kit, or click the link in the description below. 4. Balance calories in with calories out. Losing 1 pound a day can be challenging, but if you balance your calories in and calories out, you will be able to watch the weight fall right off. Be sure that you are burning between 500 and 1,000 calories a day so that you meet your goal to lose weight in 30 days. There are several free apps you can use to keep track of your calories in and calories out. One of the most popular and easy to use is MyFitnessPal. Or, you can do it the old-fashioned way and keep a detailed written food journal. While losing a pound a day may be a challenge, making these commitments and small changes will make a world of difference in your weight loss plan. If you're serious about burning your stubborn body fat fast, and would like to discover the one veggie you need to stop eating to lose 1 pound of belly fat every 72 hours, then go to www.femalefatburningsecrets.com/free video or click the link in the description below. Inside this free video, you will discover how Sharon, a 43-year-old overweight mom from St. Louis, Missouri, dropped 41 pounds of stubborn belly fat by cutting out one veggie from her diet. To watch the free video, go to www.femalefatburningsecrets.com/free video or click the link in the description below right now.